Ah, there we are finally. We've been here how long, Hayden?
15 minutes.
And how many fish have you caught?
3.
Jake, how many fish have you caught? And I have caught 0 because I couldn't find the mount for the GoPro. But one thing I was not expecting when we came here, our fish are actually on beds. I don't know if you can see those right there in that area. So I'm gonna move over here, try to catch one. Oh, there's a bunch of fish right there. Pull it out, get it right back in.
I'm gonna try to save this Senko because I do not want to put another one on.
Look at him. Oh, he hit it. Got him. Bed fishing, baby. Yeah, this pond here, good for numbers.
Not for size?
Size, not so much. Oh, he was pinned. He was not coming off. There we go. Little guy on a bed. Go for the release. Try to get him in a relatively clear area. There he goes. Yep, on the white shirt. It's just some grass though. All right, first one for me. Because just on this one shoreline, there's probably 9 or 10 beds. I think Jake already caught, oh no, yeah, I see him. Let's get in on that bed there. He's looking at it. He's picked it up. Got him. Oh, bed fishing, baby. Oh, dude, this is a pretty nice one for this pond. Not bad at all. This is probably, you know, one of the bigger fish for this pond. Not too big there. Was that a cast or was that?
That was a fish.
Oh, well, fish all over the place. I knew today was gonna be a good day. There he goes. And Jake's got one over there too. Dude, I love bed fishing. I did not think I would get to do it today. Oh my gosh. Look at that.
I can't do anything about this.
Look at that.
That's so bad.
Let me see it.
Look.
There we go.
Yeah, he's slim, that bitch.
I don't know how you caught, oh, he's fine. Yeah. I don't know how you caught something that small. That was maybe a 1-ounce fish. That's being generous. Let's go catch some more bedfish. I'm probably gonna call Michael here soon, who you guys know because he's in every single one of my videos. Is he gonna answer? Michael usually always answers his phone.
I'm sorry, the person you were trying to reach has a voicemail box that has not been set up yet. Please try your call again later. Goodbye.
Let's try it again. Still looking at it. Oh, I turned away. Oh, he's coming back. No, I'm gonna catch this fish.
2,000 years later.
Got him. It only took me 20 casts. Oh, he's a oh, he's not bad. Oh, he wasn't coming off either. This guy was pinned. There we go. Another little bedfish. That was the longest I've spent on one so far. Oh. Oh, no. You're not going to be able to get out there. Oh, did he? Yeah. There's pliers on my backpack. Oh, I just got hit there. Got him. Another one on the crawl. Oh, you can see why. There's crawfish hole right there. There he is. Oh, these fish are pinned. There we go. I don't know what number that is for me, but another little one, little chunk. It hasn't quite started spawn yet. Tasty one. Clean that off, there you go. Oh, that was fast. That was as soon as it hit the water. There's another one on the old crawl. Right in the top of the mouth. Another one. I'm just gonna toss him into the clearing there. And he's gone. Again, lost track, but I have been catching them pretty good today. Pretty darn good. Well, it wasn't recording, but just caught a frogfish. Second cast with the frog. It's my best fish of the day. Hayden claims he caught a bigger one, but...
Not lying.
Bigger than that.
Yes.
Jake, did he catch one bigger than this?
He might have. Yeah, he did catch a toad. Come here. In terms of this call.
Let's see. Because this guy's probably 2.
Okay, right. I'm gonna have to say not this one, not that one, not that one, that one.
No, this one's bigger.
Yeah, it's a bit bigger. Actually, maybe this one.
Oh, there he goes.
Okay, wow.
Let's try to catch another one. That was my first frogfish of the year.
I just left my...
Yeah, my friend lives down in the neighborhood there.
Did you get permission from Claudette McLaughlin?
Who's that?
Was in that house?
Which one?
The big brick one?
That one?
Yeah.
No, I did not.
You were gonna have to get off the premises. You can't be here.
Does he own the other ones too?
Yes, she owns them all.
Oh, she? Okay.
I have permission to tell you because I work for her on road codes.
Uh-huh.
So you guys are gonna have to get off the premises. You won't be here. And he had no business telling you that.
Okay. Do you know if, what was her name?
Claudette.
Do you know if she's home?
No, she's not.
Okay.
So
All right.
you guys are gonna have to leave.
Okay, we'll clean up.
Or I call the police.
Yeah, we'll clean up.
All right, I can tell her you guys are here, but you guys are gonna have to get off.
Okay.
All right.
Yep.
Thank you.
That's why she was speeding all over the place.
Yep. All right. Well, let's go then.